Welcome to Invest Ed.
Welcome to Invested. So today we are going to discuss, do I mean we buy on discount price or we want to buy on sale? And when it's the best time to buy a stocks? And kung paano ito makakatulong sa atin para kapagbigay ng much better returns on your investments. Okay, so buying on sale help us take out a risk on investment or investing, and it is a big deal and it makes a lot easier to make huge return in your investments. The key to doing that is to wait special kind of events that happens that affect a company, so you can learn this method or technique really quickly, and it's not a rocket science, and it is a simple to use. The most importantly sa strategy na to, you have a patience to buy at the right time. And you got to resist being swayed by emotions and worries mo. As tingin mo hindi tama yung ginagawa mo. So, importante dito sa strategy na to, So, kailangan mong i-resist yung emotions mo sa market, na nekasyo na hindi tama yung strategy na ginagawa mo, napag-iiwanan ka na, di ba? Hindi ganun. Okay, so ano nga ba tong event na sinasabi natin, Okay, yung sinasabi nating event na gusto nating makita. Gusto nating makitang event, for example, yung gusto mong stocks at alam mo sa sarili mo na merong moat yung company, strong yung fundamentals ng company, merong future growth yung company. And there's something na merong nangyari sa market, Kaya ng time na ina-analyze mo siya ay nasa 100 yung kanyang price, and alam mo yung current value niya ay nasa 80, so overpriced. And then suddenly nagkaroon ng draft, nagkaroon ng event, and yung price ng company na time na binabantayan mo ay bumagsak hanggang 40 or 40 pesos. Okay, so there's thing that happens and it create fears. Okay, and then the stocks reacting to the fear. And then yung stocks na binabantayan mo ay bumaba na sa margin of safety natin. It is considered on sale. Okay, like the saying, the secret of getting a lot of money is buy low and sell high. That's we are trying to do, And even Warren Buffett, buy low meaning we buy the company during on sale, 20 to 50% discount to its real value, and we are going to sell it pag dumating na siya or naandun na siya sa right value niya, Yung event na sinasabi natin, it's affect the company and the price automatically drop, Okay. But we know the company will recover. Yun ang pinaka-importante, We know the company na makaka-recover. Okay? So kapag bumagsak yung presyo ng company or ng stocks na tinitignan mo o binabantayan mo, alam mo dapat sa sarili mo at alam mo dapat na yung company na yan ay kayang mag-recover. Hindi siya permanently maapektuhan ng event. Kasi kapag nangyari yon, that's a red flag. So dapat alam natin kung ano yung intrinsic value ng company, and alam dapat natin na kaya niyang mag-recover sa event, sinasabi natin. And over time, the company will bounce back to fair value. Here's the thing. Also, there are few investors that I really admire who are very, very patient sa kanilang investing. So, I really admire Warren Buffett, Charlie Munger, Manish Pavrai, Guy Spear. Okay, these are the great investor na very, very patient. So, kung sila successful sa kanilang investing journey, so bakit hindi natin sila gayahin? So, we follow what they teach. So, when Warren Buffett speak, everybody listen. Okay? So when everybody is afraid, it's hard not to be afraid. I admit it completely, Kung nakikita mo yung investments mo na bumabagsak, bumababa, it's really hard. But, if you do your homework, If you do your homework, you research the company, you research kung may moat ba yung company, maganda ba yung management na company, mababa ba yung utang ng company, at may future growth ba yung company. If you research that, naiintindihan mo yung company, and alam mo na yung problem na nangyari sa company kapag nagbumagsak yung price ng company, alam mo na makaka-recover yung company na pinag-investan mo or yung company na ina-analyze mo. Okay, so if you follow the best investors in the world, so meron silang mga stocks watchlist na tinatawag. So kung meron silang watchlist, so bakit tayo hindi, no? So tayo, as an normal investors, dapat meron din tayong watchlist na mga binabantayan nating pwede natin pang-investan na stocks, no, in the future. Kasi in the near future, yung price na yan, binabantayan mong stocks, magkakaroon din yan ng sale. So kapag nangyari yon, so it's time you to buy. So you know why? Kasi inaral mo na yung company yan, alam mo, naiintindihan mo, no? Inaral mo, may moat, may maganda yung management, maganda yung pamamalakad nila, so kaya nila masustain yung kanilang utang. Also, no, naiintindihan mo yung company. Alam mo yung fair value ng company. So that's the right time to buy. So the view to stock market kasi, di ba? There's always of fluctuations, no? So we are going to take advantage kapag nagda-drop down yung mga stock price ng company na nasa watchlist natin. Kasi yun yung ginagawa natin, no? So, yun ang ginagawa ng mga most successful investor in the world. So, bakit hindi natin sila gayahin? Because they are the best on what they do, so we listen to them. Okay, so we wait patiently kapag merong event or big event na nangyayari, no? So katulad ngayon, no, may pandemic, no? Majority of stocks, okay, from March, no, na massively nag-drop down yung price ng mga companies, no? So, hopefully, sana meron kayong nakuhang stocks ng time na yon at nakabili kayo sa discounted price ng company or war or anything na nangyari sa bansa, no? Nakakaapekto yan sa ekonomiya natin or sa market natin. It's going to temporarily drop down the price of the stocks. Is one of them in your watch list, no? Pupunta pa rin dyan sa margin of safety. And here you are, no? You done your homework, you research the company, know the company, no? Ready to take off ka na. Kapag dumating na yung time, no, na yung presyo ay nasa right time na, it's time to buy. Okay guys, so yung pag-i-invest, parang pagsasaka lang yan. Yung kung ano pinakamahirap sa pagsasaka, hindi yung sowing, hindi yung reaping, but the season of waiting. So, may nakikita ba tayong palay kapag tinanim mo, bukas kakainin na, aanihin na? Di ba hindi? There's always a season of waiting. So just like sa pag-i-invest, no, we have to wait, no? We have to wait patiently and we buy at the right time. Because you know the quality of the stocks, no? You know kung anong meron sa company, naiintindihan mo, and you done your homework. Kapag nabili mo yung stocks na binabantayan mo sa on sale, you hit the jackpot. Pag nakabili ka na ng company na nasa sale, pag time na nagre-recover na yung company, it will go back to its real price. You get a better return on your investment. Now, one of my favorite things to tell you guys is that Ben Graham, who's the father of this strategy or this kind of investing, said that recessions and depressions are wonderful events in a knowledgeable investors. Emotional investor are gonna fly out to the market because they got scared and they are gone. But we know our country will recover two recessions. So we know that because we have a market-driven economy. So in summary ng ating pag-aaral, no, so we have to buy at a discounted price ng company or kapag nasa margin of safety natin yung price. And also, we want to buy pag nagkakaroon ng big events, nagda-drop down yung price ng company. And alam mo, no, na makaka-recover yung stocks na binabantayan mo in than 1 to 2 years, ay nilang makarecover at babalik sila doon sa dating presyo nila. And kapag massive sale na yung company, we have to buy. Because that's the right time to buy these stocks on sale. It create a big return to your investment. Guys, so hanggang dito na lang muna yung ating topic. So please comment down below kung may mga katanungan kayo and kung paano ba kayo naghahanap ng stocks na binibili nyo. I would happy to follow up with you. Okay, so maraming salamat. See you on the other side. Hello guys, welcome sa channel natin. Kung bago ka pa lang sa channel natin, huwag mo kakalimutan na i-subscribe and pindutin ang bell button para ma-notify ka sa mga bagong videos na lalabas sa channel natin. No? So dito, binabahagi ko yung 7 years of experience ko sa pag-trade at pag-invest ko sa stock market. And ang kagandahan pa dito, it's completely free. Maraming salamat and see you on the other side.